In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom collection template to your Shopify navigation. If you're looking to enhance your store's layout and make navigation a breeze for your customers, then this guide is for you. Before we dive into the details, it's important to note that you should have already created your custom collection templates and assigned them to specific collections. If you've done that, you're ready to proceed. Let's start by navigating to the Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, look towards the left panel where you'll see several options. Go ahead and click on Content. This is where we manage all the menus for your online store. From there, select Menus. This step is essential because it allows us to organize the way visitors will interact with your store. In the Menu section, locate and click on Main Menu. The main menu is a key component of your storefront, typically appearing as the primary navigation element. It's what visitors use to browse through different sections of your site. Our goal today is to enrich that navigation with a structured and intuitive layout. With the main menu open, you'll see an option labeled Add Menu Item. Click on this to start the process of adding your new custom collection to the store's navigation. This is where you can input specific details to make your navigation both functional and aesthetically pleasing. You'll need to enter a label for your new menu item. Consider what name will be most intuitive and informative for your customers. It could be something descriptive of the collections that this menu item will link to. After you've decided on a label, focus your attention on the link section. Here, it's crucial to select the collection that you've previously assigned to your custom template. Doing this ensures that when customers navigate through your store, they access content precisely as you've envisioned. To finalize the setup, simply click the Save button. This action will commit your changes and update the main menu with your newly added custom collection. And just like that, you've successfully added a custom collection template to your Shopify navigation. Remember, an effective navigation system not only enhances user experience, but also helps in reducing bounce rates and improving conversion rates. Take some time to test how the new menu item looks and functions. Adjustments can be made if necessary, ensuring the best experience for your store visitors. That's all there is to it. You've now empowered your online store with a more personalized and efficient navigation setup. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.